The tortoise is a reptile that belongs to the Testudinidae family. They are characterized by their distinctive shell, which is made up of two parts. The upper part is called the carapace, and the lower part is called the plastron. Tortoises are known for their longevity and slow movements. They are mostly herbivores and can be found in various habitats including deserts, grasslands, and forests. Some of the most well-known species of tortoises include the Galapagos tortoise, the African spurred tortoise, and the Aldabra tortoise. Tortoises are also popular as pets, but it's important to note that they require a lot of care and attention, and can live for many decades, so they are a long-term commitment. Tortoises have a long lifespan, and are known for their longevity. Depending on the species, they can live anywhere from 50 to over 150 years. The Galapagos tortoise, for example, can live up to 170 years in the wild, while the Aldabra tortoise can live up to 250 years in captivity. Tortoises are generally slow-moving animals and have a slow metabolism. They are cold-blooded and rely on their environment to regulate their body temperature. They will bask in the sun to warm up and seek shade or burrows to cool down. Tortoises are mostly herbivores, and their diet consists of grasses, fruits, and leafy greens. Some species may also eat insects or carrion. Tortoises are solitary animals and do not typically socialize with other tortoises, except during mating season. They are also known for their ability to withdraw into their shells for protection from predators. Tortoises are threatened by habitat loss, poaching, and the pet trade. It's important to protect these animals and their habitats to ensure their survival. If you are considering getting a tortoise as a pet, it's important to do your research and make sure you can provide the appropriate care and environment for them to thrive. Tortoises are one of the oldest living groups of reptiles, with some species dating back over 200 million years. Some species of tortoise, such as the Galapagos tortoise and the Aldabra tortoise, can grow to be very large, with some individuals weighing over 500 pounds, 227 kilograms. Tortoises are known for their slow movements, and some species can move at a top speed of only a few miles per hour. Tortoises have a unique adaptation in their shells that allows them to retract their head, tail, and limbs inside for protection. Some species of tortoise, such as the African spurred tortoise, are capable of living in arid, desert-like environments by obtaining moisture from the plants they eat. Tortoises have a long lifespan, with some species living for over 100 years. Unlike turtles, tortoises cannot swim, and they prefer to stay on land. Tortoises have a slow metabolism and may go weeks or even months without eating. Tortoises have a sharp beak that they use to bite and tear food. Some species of tortoise, such as the Hermann's tortoise, hibernate during the winter months. Some species of tortoise, such as the desert tortoise, have the ability to store large amounts of water in their bladder, which allows them to survive in dry environments for long periods of time. The temperature at which tortoise eggs incubate can determine the sex of the hatchlings. Eggs incubated at lower temperatures typically produce males, while higher temperatures result in females. Tortoises have a unique way of communicating with each other. They will sometimes hiss or make grunting sounds, especially during mating season. The shells of tortoises are made of a material called keratin, which is the same substance that makes up human hair and nails. Some species of tortoise, such as the radiated tortoise and the plowshare tortoise, are critically endangered due to habitat loss and the illegal pet trade. Tortoises have a very slow reproductive rate. Females may only lay 1 or 2 clutches of eggs per year, and it may take several years for the eggs to hatch. Tortoises are ectothermic, which means that their body temperature is regulated by their environment. They will often bask in the sun to warm up, and seek shade or burrows to cool down. Tortoises are found on every continent, except Antarctica. Tortoises have a unique digestive system that allows them to extract as much nutrition as possible from their food. They have a large intestine that is capable of fermenting tough plant material and breaking down cellulose. Some species of tortoise, such as the Burmese star tortoise and the Egyptian tortoise, are small enough to be kept as pets, but it's important to research their specific care requirements before considering getting one. The end. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe.